Okay. Oh, hi.
Oh, hi. Are you my roommate?
Yes.
This is the room.
Thank you, but this is so tiny and dirty.
Well, it just needs a little bit of cleaning and decorating.
Okay, so I'll just put my backpack. And first, this part is yours. We can be like this part
Yeah.
to that.
Three,
And
these
this is
three-
mine.
Yeah, those three couches and then these three couches.
Okay, so I need to open up my backpack. Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Crystal.
Wait.
What's your name?
My name is Ash. I know you.
I know
It
you.
was from the fidget thingy, thingy.
Yeah, it was like the last one. And then there was a warning. There might be, I think there's going to be a warning.
Yeah, I heard something, but it was, maybe it's fake. No one knows.
Yeah.
Warning.
Uh-oh.
Warning. There is a wild dog outside. Please lock your doors and close your windows.
How about you do that?
Yes, I will do that.
I'll lock the windows. Okay, good. The blinds are closed, so we're good. Woo, woo. Okay, I'm not gonna. Where are you going? Jeez. Okay.
I see the dog. It's in Karen's room.
Yay.
I went to Karen's room really quick. She's above us. That's her. How great is that?
Why does Karen have to be right next to us?
Above us. That's
Like, yeah.
annoying. Anyways,
Okay, so
by any chance, do you like unicorn cupcakes? I made them last night, and I don't know if you want some.
sure, because I love unicorns. As you
Me
see.
too.
Look at
Yeah,
mine.
that's really cute.
Thank you. If you want, how about we just put like a stack of poppets, like over there on that front desk? Because that front desk is actually like almost like our table to eat.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some
and
poppets.
I got these blue plates.
Okay.
Here, you have one.
Thank you. I'll just put up my pocket. I'll just put my pockets on them. Okay. Oh, do you have one of these?
I believe it. Yep, I have one of those.
Yay, twinsies! I'm just gonna put this one right here.
Okay. Well, I got our first food.
Okay.
Here, I'll put it in the refrigerator.
Oh, cupcake.
Strawberry. Do you like it?
Yes, that was delicious. Okay, now
Okay, well, I'm gonna,
get out. Get out. There.
where's the refrigerator?
Oh, our refrigerator.
Oh, it's over there. I can see it. It's over here.
Yeah, it's over there.
Have you heard this animal? Her name is like Lulu. She walks around the like apartments and like does stuff.
Yes.
I saw her this morning. She's adorable. She's just
How about I'll go get her here?
okay. Okay, well, while she goes to get that Lulu thing, I'll just go, I guess, keep on decorating. Well, Stimple's very cool. Very rare. Just put this right here. A couple minutes later. Decorating my room is actually pretty fun. This is fun. At least I didn't get a roommate that's annoying. Like, Karen or whatever her name is. But at least I didn't get her. But I really like this room. It's very pretty. Yeah, it is kind of dirty and stuff, but oh gosh, that dog is still outside. Okay, well, I think she's coming with that. Oh, Lulu! You can just pick her up like that?
Yeah.
Huh.
She doesn't mind it.
Hi, Lulu. Okay, maybe she doesn't like us.
Maybe she can just sleep here.
Yeah, how about... yeah, that's really cute. I mean, I got this thing. I don't know if it's food or not.
No, it's not. That's a squishy.
Yeah, it looks like it's food, but...
I found your twin.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, and I have a mochi of a cat. Somewhere in here.
I think she's not comfortable, but... Oh, just don't show that.
Hey. And I have a mochi cat.
I have a cat.
Yay! Okay, well, she's just gonna be kind of there.
Yeah, she's gonna be maybe sleeping. I don't know.
Warning, warning. The dog has run away. If you see any German Shepherd outside, please get inside. That's another warning.
Get this German Shepherd out of my face.
There goes Karen again.
Yep.
Okay, well, it's pretty dark outside. I think I'm gonna go start getting ready for bed.
Same, but I'm just gonna put the rest of my fidgets.
I'm just gonna put everything back into my box, and I'll keep on decorating tomorrow.
There. Now I need to put my backpack, and then I'm gonna go to get this creature out of my room.
There she goes again.
Jeez.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go take a nap. Well, I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night.
Good night.
Cock-a-dow-doo-da-doo-doo-da-doo-doo. Well, hey Lily, you're still here? Okay, well, it's morning and the timers are super weird, but time to get up and I'll make her breakfast, I guess. Maybe she likes chocolate strawberries for breakfast. I'll get that for her. And for me, I'll just get a pineapple. Crystal, wake up. I got you breakfast. Do you like?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Well, warning. Warning. This is not a very big warning, but there's class at 2 p.m. Okay, well, that's in like a couple hours, so we still have enough time. Okay, well,
I don't want to go to class. How about we just ditch it?
I mean, it's fidget class.
No.
Yeah, no, let's just ditch it. Okay, well, I'm gonna eat breakfast, and yeah. Lulu, why are you just sitting here? I thought you were the manager. I thought you cleaned the house.
Yeah,
I thought you clean everything.
she does.
Okay, well, I'll see you in a little. I'm gonna go to the store.
Okay. After the store.
Oh, geez.
I'm back.
Oh, hi.
So, how about we show them how our dorms look like? So, my backpack's down there. My poppets are there. This is Ashley's table. She has like a little lamp there. And she also has a box. Can I show them what's inside?
Yeah, I'm still not done.
There's like fidgets, magnets, more fidgets. And then we have, this is hers, this is mine. And then we also have our refrigerator, our own piano, and our own beanbag. Woohoo! So fun.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have, of course, Karen is out there. Okay, and then have a little plant, have another plant, have some puppets there, and then the picture. And those pictures, and then these pictures, and then this huge couch which she's in, and then our maid is. You're such a cute maid.
But she is very lazy. As you
Yes.
can see, she is laying on our bed.
Because she's technically a animal, so.
Yeah, but at least
She loves this. You love this, right? You love this. He's so cute. Okay. What are we going to do?
I'm just sitting up.
I am pretty hungry, so here. I'll go make some breakfast.
Okay.
Wait, lunch.
I'm just putting my emojis down. They're all siblings. And then
Okay, so.
this cat. Lulu, I thought you were cleaning our room, not yourself. Okay, whatever. Yeah, Lulu. Oh, you're staring at me? Don't stare at me. Booty hole.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, hey. Oh, lunch.
I'm good.
Second class, please everybody come. Warning, please everybody come. And you may come with your food since it is lunch. Okay, well, I guess we have to go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, well, we're in class now.
Hi.
Hi. So I guess let's just sit down. Oh, you're right here.
Huh?
Karen's she's sitting in front. So I guess we just wait here until the teacher comes. After school.
The class was so boring.
I know, right? Do you want a fidget trade? Sure. Okay. This is Fidget school, so Fidget college actually. So yeah. Okay, well, I'll just wait for her. She's probably just getting all her stuff ready. I'll see you guys in a little. I know you guys can't see this, but I'm just setting up all my mochis and all my imports and stuff. But you guys will see what we're doing in a little bit because Crystal went to get all her stuff. Lulu. Lulu. Meow. Why are you doing that? Meow. Okay. Whatever. Just keep on doing your business. Meow. Okay, I said okay. Just keep on doing your business. Meow. Okay, I get it. Keep on doing your business, whatever you're doing. Meow. Okay, come in. Oh, ew. The dog was chasing after me. Ew, it's back?
Yep.
I think I'm done setting up my mochis.
I'm done with mine.
Oh gosh, it's already super late. I wanted to fidget trade, but I guess it's time to go to sleep, but
Maybe the next morning.
yeah, good night.
Good night.
Oh,
Next morning.
it's tiring.
Okay, I'll make food. I'll probably eat this, and then she can have a banana. Wake up.
Oh, good morning.
Here's your banana for food. Good morning.
That was really good breakfast. Thanks.
You're welcome. Well,
Warning, the school is going to burn down. Please, everybody, get your important things. You start packing all your stuff. I'm gonna go take her away. Okay, so I'm gonna go take her away because she has to help the manager. Okay, Lou? Okay, you just start getting everything ready. Can you pass my bag, please?
yes.
Thank you.
Okay. I don't know what to do.
The dog was chasing me.
How if we're inside?
I don't know. It just came inside.
I think it's in Karen's room.
Get out of here. Yep, it is. Oh gosh.
That means the dog dog is right by us. Okay. Ooh. I think this is all of mine. Don't forget the bag. I'll get it.
Oh, yeah.
Is that all?
Thanks, yeah. Oh, gosh, I hear everything burning down.
Guys, we have to go.
Okay, well, I'll see you guys part 2. Bye.